Welcome to Microsoft Excel training. By using the uppercase, lowercase, or spelling functions in Microsoft Excel, you can edit the values in a selected field or a cell to uppercase, lowercase, or uppercase letters. For example, look at the list we have. The letters are in capital letters, the first letters are in capital letters. We use the equals lower function to convert all of these to lowercase. When you type equals lower and then select the cell and press enter, you will see that the values there are completely lowercase. If you want to convert the expressions to uppercase, select the cell after typing equal upper, close the parenthesis, press enter, and you will see that the values here are completely converted to uppercase. If we want to write the expressions with the first letters capitalized, for example, it is equal to B. When we use the prop function, we return the first letters in uppercase in the values here. These are the Turkish equivalents of the uppercase, lowercase or spelling functions, but in the English versions, we return lower to lowercase, upper to uppercase, and proper to uppercase the first letters. You can edit the text. These are pretty cool functions. It is useful, especially after importing a bank statement or any other list into the Excel program. You can use them to edit it in uppercase, lowercase, or uppercase letters. Of course, you need to pay attention to something here. For example, if you delete the values here after changing them to all uppercase letters, pay attention to the region I selected. When you go to clear and click clear all, you will see that all values disappear. Let's take it back. For this, for example, after changing it to uppercase, we need to press the right button and click copy, and you need to come to the place where the values are and paste it, say paste as value and paste as low, or in the same way, right? Click copy here and then paste as value here. You need to remove this from the formula. When you delete it, look, since everything here depends on the formula, be careful. You see our formula here. It is gone because it depends on the formula, but it is not gone because the values here remain values. You need to pay attention to this.